Hello, good morning everyone! So, ngayon, day 3 sa ating Pinterest challenge. So, I apologize kasi kahapon hindi ako nakapag-video. Something came up dito sa bahay. So, but anyway, for today, I'll try my best to do two videos. So, first off, what you can see right now is my Pinterest page. So yesterday, I've asked you to optimize your page. So for those who have not yet optimized their Pinterest profile, I am going to show you how. So, but first, why is it important? So important siya kasi the words here, this very short description area, is not just there without a purpose. So lalabas to siya. This is index during search. So, pag may maghahanap, most likely, your page will appear. So, as much as possible, key in or put in keywords na sa target market nyo or sa target niche. So, all you have to do is go to the settings area. So, this is, by the way, it might look different because I already converted to a business profile. So since I have a website, I converted to a business profile because I want to see analytics. So pag login nyo pa lang, if you have a business profile, you will have access to the analytics area. So this helps me monitor the traffic, saan ba galing yung page visits, and if may increase. So yesterday, my monthly view was just 700. So far ngayon, it's already 819. So the more pins you have, the more views or traffic you will get. So this is the settings area. So this is just similar to a regular page lang naman. So the only difference is that you will have the business account basics and I link my website. So, add in your business name or yung profile nyo. So, this is mine. And then, the About You section naman, yung keywords. So, since I've mentioned before na nasa fitness yung aking niche, so I added in fitness. I also added here what yung ginagawa ko. I'm a VA, a Pinterest manager, social media manager, video editor, and graphic editor. So, and some keywords naman na I also like mommy, budgeting, saving. So, this is how I did mine. And then, I've noticed na yung ibang gumawa ng Pinterest profile, nilagay nila dito, I'm not sure, yung may location. So, if you have you want to add your location, you may add it here. I actually did not add, so let's put in Philippines. Okay, then save. So this part, showcase, so you may, nag-refresh siya. You may add in, okay, so yon, lalabas yung Philippines dito sa description. So let's go back. So, with the business page, we can also showcase the best ideas on top of your profile. So, yung mga best pins, usually the pins that like I would suggest your pins ang dapat naka-showcase. So, I have my board that's called Best of Jave. So, that's mostly all of my pins from my blog. So, yun ang ilalagay ko. So, the more you have, so you add in there. Digital marketing. So, yan. So, and then save. So, it's easy to navigate. Pinterest is very easy to navigate. Hindi naman po siya mahirap. Okay, so that's it. So, for those who have a website, ganito po mag-confirm. You add in here, you go to the settings pa rin sa profile area. Then, you add in here the website area, your website. Then, click confirm website. So, yan. This will appear. Itong meta tag, this meta name, this tag, this piece of code, you have to add it to the head area of your website. Different websites have different modes or areas or settings to add this piece of code. So WordPress, I am a bit unsure, but if you are using Wix, like my website, it is under Wix, you can add it by going to the site manager, then going to the SEO area, and then advanced area. Then meron doang piece of my space for meta tags or meta codes. So all you have to do is paste this and then click on once you paste this, dapat naka-open this sa Pinterest and click finish. For the WordPress one, I will look later how you will add it sa may mga WordPress or sa may Squarespace. So that's an assignment for me. Wait, ilagay. Okay. Wait, i-note natin para hindi ko siya makalimutan. Okay. LinkedIn, Pinterest. So, bakit siya advisable to link? So, you must, kung may website ka, I would really advise to link. Para every time you pin, make sure you also have the pin button dito sa taas. I am using Chrome, so I have the pin button here on top. So, every time you go into your your blog, madali na lang siya ipin. All you have to do is click this. Then, the Pinterest plugin, this button, will immediately grab kung ano yung pintable images doon sa blog mo. And then, immediately, it will link to your website. So, ganun siya kadali. Okay, so the other settings here are just for notification. So if you want to be notified. Okay, so I also link, if you want to link your different social media networks, I opted not to. But if you want, yes you can. So that's it sa settings natin and sa optimization. Now let's go sa boards. So, mahalaga yung pag-optimize. So, take note of that. So, if ever you will have a client, number one natin i-check. If you have a client interested in you handling their Pinterest page, check their settings, their descriptions. So, dapat na nasa, kung ano yung niche niya, dapat related doon ang kanyang keywords. Hindi yung ano-ano lang siya. Hindi siya related. So, para ma-index and it will come up in searches. So, sa boards naman, I advise na dapat merong more than 15 boards. I actually have 20, I think, because I have been too busy creating my client's Pinterest page and I sometimes neglect mine. So, this is my boards actually. Yung iba, honestly, hindi siya related. Napipin lang siya ng aking daughter when she's using my Pinterest. But the other ones are mine, like this digital marketing board that I have. Itong clean eating recipes because I use this for my client actually. So, as much as possible, related yung board mo sa niche mo. So, I have the digital marketing about MS Office, ebooks, and then I have one board. If you will create a board, make sure you have one board designated for you. So I have a board called Best of Shave. So most pins here are connected to my website, to my blog. So gaya po. Sorry, a bit slow ang aking si PLDT. So I think this one is mine. So yeah. The top 9 free task manager. So, as you can see, this pin is connected to my blog. So when someone clicks on it, madadirect siya sa aking blog. So, designate a board for yourself. And then, pinning suggestions. Experts say that you must pin 50 to 75 times a day. Yes, a day siya. So, if you want to grow more, dapat ganun siya, a day. So, meron namang automation tool like Tailwind and Word Booster. I use Word Booster. So, doon ko nilalagay yung mga possible twins and then si Word Booster na yung magsischedule nun 3 times a day to post. So, I am not going or 7 or 50 times a day. So, siya na yung mag-post nun every day for me. So, that's something you might want to look into. So, see, nag-direct yung pin ko to my blog post. Okay, so that's it for boards. Sa next video ko will be how to make attractive pins. So, if you have question, feel free to ask me anytime dun sa group page. Thank you.